Okay, students, we have already discussed so many topics related with the O-Levels Physics 5054, Unit number 2, Kinematics. So, in my second last video, we have covered the topic related with the terminal velocity. And that was terminal velocity which was related with the parachuter and in the presence of air resistance. Now we will discuss that what will happen when the paratrooper will open his parachute. So when he will open the parachute, as you can see in the diagram F, the surface area of the parachute will increase. We have already discussed that the air resistance depend on two factors. Number one, the speed of the object, and number two, surface area. Now before opening the parachute, the paratrooper was moving with the terminal velocity. It means that the forces were balanced. The weight which was acting in downward direction, air resistance which was acting in upward direction, they were balanced. Resultant force was zero. Object was not accelerating, but it was moving with the constant velocity. Now when he will open the parachute, then the surface area will increase. So air resistance will increase. It means that now the forces will again become unbalanced. The weight will remain same, 500 Newton, but now the surface area will increase, due to which the air resistance will increase up to, let's suppose, 700 Newton. In the past papers, this question has been asked so many times that when he will open the parachute, why the paratrooper will feel a jerk and moves in upward direction. So guys, look here, the upward force is greater than the downward force. When I will calculate the resultant force, 700 minus 500, it will become 200 Newton and its direction will be upward because the greater force is in the upward direction. So instead of coming down, as soon as he will open the parachute, he will feel a jerk and moves in upward direction. Then the impact of the air resistance will start decreasing. First it was 700 Newton, then it will become 600 Newton. The resultant force was 200 Newton. Now the resultant force is 100 Newton. Again, the resultant force will start decrease and moving towards the balanced forces. In diagram H, you can observe that the weight and air resistance will balance again each other. Again, the paratrooper will move with the constant velocity, that is the terminal velocity. But now what is the difference between the terminal velocity after opening the parachute and before opening the parachute? So there is one big difference, that before opening the parachute, the terminal velocity was around 55 meter per second. And after opening the parachute, the terminal velocity is 5 meter per second, which is very reasonable to land on the ground. Now we will complete the remaining graphical portion as well. I will recap. Till point A, the one force was acting, that is the weight which was acting in downward direction. So acceleration was constant. Then again from this, the air resistance increased due to increase in speed. So this area is related with the speed, due to which the forces will start becoming balanced and acceleration will start decreasing. So up till point D, almost the forces will become balanced and eventually at point E, object will move, the paratrooper will move with the constant velocity. Now this is the point which I have mentioned on the previous section as F. At that point the paratrooper will open the parachute. So what has happened to the speed? If you will observe the speed decrease at once. So there is a deceleration. There is a deceleration because the speed decreases. At once the paratrooper will slow down and then again the impact will start decreasing, and at each point the forces will become balanced and now he will move with a very slow terminal velocity and move towards the ground. And then at point I, he will hit the ground. When he will hit the ground, you have observed that the paratrooper will take few steps. What is the reason? The reason is inertia, the kinetic energy. If he will not take the few steps, then what will happen? He may fall down and injured his knees. So this is all related with the topic related with the kinematics. If you have any question related with this, you can ask from me in the comments and I will reply you back. Take care. Bye bye.